Just mentally scan your whole body from the tip of the toe to the top of the head. Bring your awareness slowly through the breathing. Observe the normal, natural breathing at the tip of your nostril. Just observe the whole breathing process. Now slowly inhale, take a deep breath. Exhale. Breathe in again, inhale. Breathe out. Puraka. Rechaka. Puraka. Rechaka. Just continue to do some voluntary breathing, slow inhalation followed by exhalation with complete focus, observance on the breathing process. Bring both the hands in Chin Mudra on the thighs. Let the hands be on the thighs, but hands on Chin Mudra. Feel the gentle touch between the index finger and the thumb finger. The stretch on the other three fingers. Feel the nerve impulse. Let's begin by chanting 3 Omkara all together. Tune yourself to me, my chanting. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Puraka. Breathe in. Feel the vibrations of the Omkara all throughout the body. Gently adapt your hands together in Namaskara Mudra, cross your chest. Let's start with the invocation. Just repeat after me. Yogascha yogamargascha Yogashakti tvameva cha Yoganandam yoganatam Yoginam tvam namamyaham Yogena chittasya Padena vacham Malam sharirasya cha Vaidyakena Yopakarotam Pravaram muninam Patanjalim प्राञ्जलिराणतोऽस्मि हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ Gently bring your hands to the back of your body. Make a fist of your right hand and hold the wrist of your right hand with the left palm. Inhale, go back, expand your chest, roll your shoulders back, bend backward as much as possible. Exhale and come forward, bring your forehead down to the ground, touching the ground with a sense of surrender to the divine, to the Guru Parampara, to Mother Nature, Motherland. Inhale, come up. Release your hands, rub your palms. Feel the warmness on your palms. Take your palms to your eyes, make a cup of your palms and place your palms above your eyes. Feel the warmness and cosmic energy around your eyes. Gently open your palms, open your eyes with a beautiful smile in your face and look into your palm. Prabhate Karadarshanam. Namaste. Welcome to each one of you for this morning yoga sadhana. Some of you have been doing the same time for almost more than a year with Achala, and a few have joined new from today onwards. Some of our senior sadhakas who have been doing already also, since they wanted to practice with me, have also joined. So my humble pranams to each one of you, and it's a good day to start. Even if you have not done for a long time, if you have given a gap, yeah, it's good to restart again, reconnect, and then to do. So we will start with simple practices and slowly try to advance our sadhana as well in the available time. So let's gently come to a standing posture. I request all of us to stand, all of you to stand. Stand with your head, neck, and spine in a straight line. Your eyes gently open, and you can look at me and follow me as well. So stand, relax with your legs apart, hands by the side of the body. Both the palms on your thighs. Let's do a simple swing, forward and backward swing. Inhale and take your hands backward, push your body forward. Exhale, come down, swing your hands down twice, and then inhale, go back. Exhale, inhale, inhale. Yes, you're all familiar with the simple forward and backward stretch. Just keep doing. Do not be in a hurry. Inhale, slowly go back, exhale, come forward. And eventually after some 3-4 rounds, you can increase the speed as well. Synchronize the breathing with the body movement. Inhale, go back, exhale, forward. Hands by the side of your body. Swing your hands to the side of the body. Now slowly stop the practice. Now try to stretch your legs apart a little more. Keep your legs apart a little more. The same practice, but when we bend forward, you try to take your hands through in between your legs. Inhale, go back. Exhale, swing down, hands between your legs. Yeah, inhale, go back. You can, when you come down, it's either once or twice according to your flow. The convenience doesn't make much difference. Some people do twice, swing downward. Some people will do once, that's okay. Inhale, go back, exhale, come forward. Yeah. Slowly again. Stop the practice, come up and stand with your legs apart, hands parallel to your shoulders, and take your hands to the sides, right and left. right, and left. How much ever you are able to reach down, you need to look into the hand which is raised up. Look at the tip of the fingers which are raised up. Your drishti should go upward. Just sidewards. Again, keep doing this with continuous exhalations. Focus on the exhalation. Like Kapalabhati, continuous exhalations. Slow down, slow down. Take your hands parallel to the shoulders. Again, legs be apart like that. Exhale and bend forward. Look forward. Now we are going to take our palms to the alternate toes, right to the left and left to the right. Twist of the abdominal region, twist from the waist and turn to the other side. How much ever you are able to reach. If you are able to reach only your knee level, that's fine. If you are able to reach down to your calf muscles, that's okay. If you are able to touch your toes, well and good. How much you reach down is not important. How well you are able to do it, synchronizing with the breathing. Again, the focus could be on active exhalations, continuous exhalations. Yeah. Slow down. Come up. You can slightly bring your legs together. Still maintain a gap, but little closer. Not that much wider, little closer. Now stretch your hands forward, palms facing the ground, and twist to your right and left. As you twist to your right, keep your left hand folded at the elbow. As you turn to the left, fold your right hand folded at the elbow. As you turn back, focus on the exhalations. Slow down. Slow down. Now gently try to bring your legs together in Tadasana, hands by the side of the body. Just take a deep breath, inhale slowly and exhale slowly. Inhale and breathe out, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Let's chant one akara all together loudly, widely open your mouth and chant. Take a deep breath, inhale. Take a deep breath. Observe the white chanting. Now try to keep your legs gently apart, little apart, and hands on your waist. Let's move on to do some Sukshma Vyayama from the top of the head to the toe. First is with the head and neck that we will do. Inhale, take your neck up. Exhale, down, chin touching the neck. Breathe in up. Breathe out, chin touching the neck. Inhale up. Exhale down. These are slow, synchronizing with the breathing. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now come to the center. Look straight. Now turn your neck to the right and center, then left. Center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Just repeat it 5 times. Relax. Hands down. Take your hands out and just drop the hands down. Now with inhalation, lift your shoulders up. Exhale. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Let's rotate our shoulder blades clockwise once. Full complete rotation. 2, 3. Feel the stretch. Feel the gentle massaging effect. 4 and 5. Anti-clockwise reverse. Ulta. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's gently bring our palms on the shoulders like this and rotate. Hold your shoulder blades here. Hold here and then rotate slowly. 1. Lift up completely. Stretch up completely. Then bring down. 2, 3. Inhale as you go up. Exhale as you come down. Complete synchronization with the breathing. Reverse. Now anti-clockwise rotation. The same way. When you bring your hands up, inhale and come up. Exhale and go down. Feel the stretch. Now be there. Stop and be there. Keep your palms, your fingers touching the shoulders. Now exhale. Open your arms out. Sideways, right to left. Inhale, come back. Slow breathing and slow movement. Now hands forward, palms facing the roof. Inhale, exhale, open up. Relax, hands down. Relax. Now stretch your hands forward, palms up. Keep your fingers opened out, stretched out. Exhale, palms down. Inhale. Going up will be slow, inhalation. Coming down, little fast. If you find difficult in standing and doing, all this could be sat on the chair and still do it. Everybody can do. I would tell you, in case a particular condition, somebody with high blood pressure, hypertension, or any cardiac problems, diabetes, somebody should not do something, then I will be telling you. If I'm not telling anything, that means it's all inclusive. Everybody can do. Now make a fist of your hand like this. Make a fist. The thumb inside, other 4 fingers around the thumb, and rotate. Ellaru madabodu. Yaru madabaradu andre heltini. Yaru pannakudadana solren. Otherwise, everybody keep doing. All these are good for everybody. Sukshma Vyayama, what we are doing. Now anti-clockwise. You can alternate 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise. Like that. You can alternate and yes, relax. Hands down. Now keep your legs apart, furthermore apart, stretch it apart. Become Panduranga Vittala, hands on your waist. Yeah, no waist rotation, clockwise, complete rotation. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Relax. Bring your hands down. Now bring your legs closer. Slowly bend forward, hands upon your knees, palms, both the palms upon your knees. Now exhale, push your knee forward. Inhale, bring it up. Exhale, push forward, bring it up. Forward, up. Exhale. Inhale up. Relax. Come up. Now hands on your waist. Swing your right leg forward and backward 5 times. 1, 2. Try to look forward. Don't look at the moving leg. Looking at something opposite to you. Fix your point of gaze and swing your legs forward and backward. Only the right leg. Now keep your right leg down. Then stretch your left forward and backward. Down. Once again the right, forward and backward. Just look straight. You don't have to look at the camera, look at me. It's simple, easy. For maintaining the balance, better to swing with the eyes fixed at one point. If you find difficult to balance, you can even hold a wall nearby. That's not a problem. Alternate. Again, left. Knee straight as much as possible. Yeah. Now, we'll do it sideways. Right to the right side, left to the left side. Right, left. Right, left. Right, left. Right, left. Relax. Relax. Hands down. Legs down. Normal position. Keep your legs slightly apart in Shitila Tadasana. Hands by the side of the body. Now keep your eyes closed. And just observe. Observe the whole body. From the tip of the toe to the top of the head. Observe the breathing. Observe the heartbeat. Feel and observe the nerve impulse. To relax further, let's chant Ukara. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Feel the vibrations of the Ukara. I'm sure you're all chanting. Don't hesitate to chant. Should be loud chanting. I have kept your audio muted so that it doesn't create a cacophony. So, but you should all chant. Even if it's going to wake up the other person in the family, doesn't matter. It will be a good alarm clock for them. Let them get up. It's already 6:15. Time for everybody to wake up. Yeah. So you can shout louder. No issues. Yes. So relax. Now, I'm sure many of you have been regularly practicing yoga, asanas and everything. Yeah. So Surya Namaskara is familiar to all of us. So how many of you are not familiar or not sure of the practice of Surya Namaskara? Surya Namaskara, I'm not familiar, sir. Of course, there are many versions of Surya Namaskara, varieties. Veena is there, okay. Anybody else so all of you got used to. Okay. So today we will do a basic version of Surya Namaskara. That doesn't mean you look at Surya and say Namaskara. This is the most basic version of Surya Namaskara. Surya Namaskara Ataradalla. Yeah, we would do a practice. This is Ardha Surya Namaskara. And tomorrow we will add up to do the complete set. And then we have so many other varieties of Surya Namaskara also. There are not varieties, there are versions. So we will try to eventually practice some of the different sets of Surya Namaskara also. Wherever you are in your house, so you can turn towards the east. If you can locate the east, just turn towards the east. To make sure the first set, you just look at me once. This is Ardha Surya Namaskara, how we are doing. So I will once show it, then you can all start with me and let's do a few more rounds. Yeah. How do we do it? If I keep this down, you are able to. So hands together in. Hands together in Namaskara Mudra. Of course, I will, once I show this, you just watch me. Then I will again lead you the mantra, then all of us together can do. Just now watch me the first set of demonstration. So this is, I'm keeping my hands together in Namaskara Mudra. So one is inhale, hands up, arch back, keeping my knees straight, just I'm bending backward. Exhale, Padahastasana, hands down and touching the toes as much as possible. Try to bring your forehead down. Ideally, if you're able to bring your forehead and touch your knee, that's fine. If not, like this. 3, take your right hand. So Ashvasanchalana, both the palms by the side of the left foot, right leg back and look forward. Your 2 palms and the foot whichever is there in the front, all 3 should be in straight line. Ashvasanchalana. 3. Now 4, you are bringing this leg forward again in Padahasta. 4. 5 again, come up, go back. 6 again down. 7 left leg back. 8 left leg forward. 9, 10. So that's it. It's just the 3 counts through which we go forward again. From the left side again we do. So this is the first basic simple version of Ardha Surya Namaskara. I'm sure you're all ready now. Yes. Gently come to standing posture. Stand with your legs together, hands in Namaskara Mudra, looking towards the east. Just visualize the rising sun, Udaya Bhanu in front of your eyes. So we will chant the Surya Namaskara mantra. Just repeat after me. Adideva Namastubhyam Prasida Mama Bhaskara Divakara Namastubhyam Prabhakara Namostute Om Mitraya Namaha. One inhale, hands up, arch back. 2 exhale, forward, hands down, Padahastasana. Hands down, bend forward. Veena, munde bagbeku. 3, place your palms down and take your right leg back. Balagalano, ಒಂದು ಕಾಲನ ಹಿಂದೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Ashvasanchalana, take your right leg back. 4, take your left leg also. I'm sorry, 4, bring your right leg forward again. We are doing that Ardha Surya Namaskara. Bring your right leg forward. 5, inhale, both the hands up, arch back. Yes. 6, again, exhale, bend forward, Padahastasana. 7, left leg back. 8, left leg forward. 9, inhale, hands up, arch back. 10, hands in Namaskara Mudra. So once again, hands together in Namaskara Mudra. Yeah. If you are not thorough, you can once see. I will spotlight somebody who does good. So you can watch them and again you can do it. In case you are not thorough. Clear agilla andre confusion idre ondsati nodkondo amele ಮಾಡಿ. Yeah. Yes. Hands together in Namaskara Mudra. Om Ravaye Namaha. Repeat. 1, hands up, arch back. 2, exhale, hands forward, down, Pada Hastasana, palms to the feet. 3, right leg back. Inhale and take your right leg back. 4, bring your right leg forward. Again, means come up in Pada Hastasana. Then again, 5, Hasta Uttana, hands up, arch back. 6, again, Pada Hastasana, exhale, bend forward. Now left leg back, 7, left leg back. Bring your left leg forward, 8, exhale and come in, Pada Hastasana. 9, hands up, arch back in Hasta Uttana. 10, hands together in Namaskara Mudra. That's it, very simple, easy. So don't worry about the right and left. First time is always right leg back, then you are bringing the right leg forward. Then again the second time, take your left leg back, then bring it left forward. So usually we try to alternate, taking the back leg is right and left we do it. That in the next version onwards we will do. Now currently we're just getting used to the practice, and therefore always first is right leg back, right leg forward. Then second, left leg back, left forward. So first is right, left is left. So we'll remember this. Okay, yes, come on. Now one more round, hands together in Namaskara Mudra, legs together. Om Suryaya Namaha. 1, inhale, hands up, arch back. Try to keep your hands straight. Don't try to bend at the elbow unless you have some problem. 2, exhale, down, Pada Hastasana. Without bending the knee, as much as you are able to bring down. 3, Ashvasanchalana, right leg back, knee down, look straight, look forward, yes. 4, bring your right leg forward in Pada Hastasana with exhalation. 5, inhale, hands up, arch back, Hasta Uttana. Again 6, exhale, down, forward, Pada Hasta. 7, again the Ashvasanchalana, left leg back. Left leg back, knee touching the ground, left knee, right knee forward, both the palms and right foot in straight line, look straight, normal breathing. 9, Pada Hastasana, bring your left leg forward with exhalation. 10, inhale, hands up, arch back. Very good. 2 more rounds or 3 more rounds. We completed 3, so 3 we'll do. So 6 we complete today. Yeah. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. Om Bhanave Namaha. 1, 2, 3, right leg. 4, right leg forward. 5, hands up, arch back. 6, again forward, bend down. 7, left leg backward. 8, forward. 9, up, arch back, very good. 10 Namaskara Mudra. Om Khagaya Namaha. Yes. Ekam 1. Vando 2. 3. Which leg? Right leg. Yes, good. 4. Come forward. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10 Namaskara Mudra. Very good. So last, I'm not going to give the counts now. I'll be telling only the breathing. So you synchronize the breathing and then try to do the counts. Last. Om Pushne Namaha. Inhale, hands up, arch back. Exhale, down. Inhale, right leg back and look forward. Exhale, right leg forward. Inhale, hands up, arch back. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, left leg back and look forward. Exhale, left leg forward and look down. Inhale, hands up, arch back. Hands up, Namaskara Mudra. Very good. Bring your hands down. Now both the hands in Namaskara Mudra. Let's chant the Falashruti of Surya Namaskara. Just you can repeat after me. Adityasya Namaskaran Ye Kurvanti Dine Dine Ayuh Prajna Balam Viryam Tejasteshamscha Jayate Tejasteshamscha Jayate. Relax, hands down. Now keep your legs apart, hands by the side of the body. Just keep your body in a very comfortable loose condition. Eyes gently closed. Try to feel the changes in the whole body after the practice of the Ardha Surya Namaskara. Just try to observe for yourself what is the change that you see. How is your breathing? How is your body? Do you have any relaxation anywhere, any stretch anywhere, or do you find any pain somewhere? Just try to observe the changes happening naturally, whatever changes that you feel. To relax the whole body, just observe from the tip of the toe to the top of the head, and let's chant A-U-M in the ratio 1:1:2. Take a deep breath, inhale. Feel the vibrations of the Avuma chanting throughout the body. Feel relaxed. Slowly come down to sitting posture. Sit down with your legs stretched straight. Sit with your legs stretched straight and both the hands by the side of your body like this, fingers pointing forward. Fingers pointing forward, legs stretched straight. Keep your legs apart. Yeah. Now slowly try to bring your legs together. Legs together. Slowly let's try to come to Vajrasana. Fold your knees one by one, right and left. Those who find it difficult, those who already have some problem like arthritis, those who have some knee pain or something, what you can do is you can try to roll towel or a bed sheet and keep below your knee. Then also you find very difficult, you can sit in the chair and relax also. So either below the knee you can keep, and if you find problem in the back below your toes or heel, you can even still put the towel, or you can put a mat rolled, or even a bigger bed sheet you can have, or a small pillow, whichever you find comfortable with, you can do it. So Vajrasana is very good. So try to get used to it. If unless you have very severe already an injury or something, otherwise you can still try slowly getting into Vajrasana and practice. So whenever we practice meditation, pranayama, breathing, all those, Vajrasana is going to be the best. So try to sit in Vajrasana and try to keep your hands in Chin Mudra. Chin Mudra on the thighs. Yeah. This is Chin Mudra. On the thighs you keep it. Palm facing the roof. Just sit like that. Observe what's happening. Where there is a pain, where there is a stretch. Yes. What does Vajra means? Vajra is diamond. So hard like a diamond. It gives you a steadiness to your body, hard like a diamond. Vajra. It also opens up the Vajra Nadi, which facilitates our memory power, concentration. There are 72,000 nadis in the body, in the subtle body, Sukshma Sharira. And nadis are the channels for the prana. And so when we do Vajrasana, it takes us the Vajra Nadi, takes the prana through the Vajra Nadi. So whenever you find time, when you read, try to sit in Vajrasana and read, not the WhatsApp chats, but when you read any scriptures or read any books, school books, or all those, even when you're doing some computer works on the laptop, try to keep it on a desk and you can do it. Yeah, now slowly open your eyes and you can try to stand on your knees. We'll try to do the Ushtrasana, Dardha Ushtrasana, stand on your knees. Your toes pointing out like this. Try to keep your body straight. Bring both the palms on the back. Support your back. Now push your hip forward and try to push your abdomen forward. Expand your chest and shoulders and bend back as much as possible. Balance, bend back, head backward. Bend back. You may keep your eyes open also to avoid any chakkar or anything. Just bend back, maintain there. 1, normal breathing. 2, Varun, bend back, yeah, bend back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inhale and come forward, come up. Now slowly come down to Vajrasana, sit down. Now inhale and stretch your hands up. Exhale, come forward, palms down on the ground, forehead down on the ground. Stretch your hands. Your ideally forehead should touch the ground, as we do in Namaskara. Try to observe the flow of the blood to the head region. Stretch on the arms, the compression on your abdomen, the compression on your thighs, the stretch from the lower back. Observe all these. Inhale and come up to Vajrasana again. Normal. Hands down. Hands down on the Vajrasana itself. Slowly release your legs one by one and relax in Shitila Dandasana. Relax and observe. Just observe the changes. You may just loosen your legs right and left, stretch your legs right and left. Move your legs right and left, shake your legs right and left. Toes forward and backward, rotate your toes and relax. Yeah. Now bring your legs together. Most of you would know this asana, which is butterfly, Baddha Konasana. How do we do? Bring your toes, feet and heel touching each other and thighs by the sideways. Interlock your fingers and hands onto your toes. Just hold it. Now you don't have to do, usually we flap and all. Now this is Bhadrasana. You don't have to flap or anything. Just hold your toes and keep your head straight. Head, neck and spine straight. Stretch up. Body straight. Just hold here tightly and keep your head, neck and spine in a straight line. Now exhale and try to bring your forehead to the toe. Forehead down to the toe. Exhale, come down. Yeah. Inhale, come up, look up. Exhale, down. Yeah. So when I say Akasha, you're looking up. When I say Patala, come down, forehead down to the ground. Akasha, Patala, Akasha, Patala, Akasha, Patala. Inhale up, Akash. Exhale down, Patala. Yes. Stretch out. Now inhale, come up, release your both the legs out. Relax. Now keep your legs together and fold your right leg at the knee. Right leg at the knee. Right hand stretched back. Right hand stretched on the back. Yes, take your left hand up, stretch up. Left hand stretch up and bring it across the right knee and look back to the right side. Left hand up and bring it across the right knee and look back to the right side in Vakrasana. From across the knee, yes, down there, and then look back. Feel the twist on your abdomen. The stretch on your arms, look back. Opposite hand, yes. Now repeat the same on the other side. Left leg, fold your left leg at the knee. Down. Relax. Relax, keep your legs apart, hands by the side of the body. Now gently lie down on your back, wherever you are, however you are, lie down on the back. For the most favorite Shrinivasalasana, Shavasana. Just observe the whole body. Mentally scan the whole body from the tip of the toe to the top of the head. अपने पूरे शरीर के ऊपर ध्यान दीजिए. इडೀ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶರೀರವನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ, ಕಾಲಿಂದ ತಲೆವರೆಗೂ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಅಂಗವನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ, ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ. Observe the whole body from the tip of the toe to the top of the head. Just once quickly glance the whole body as such. Now bring your attention to the lower part of the body, your leg region, the tip of the toe to the lower back on both sides, right and left. Observe any stretch, pain, any changes that normally occur. Just observe. To relax the lower part of the body, let's chant one akara. Take a deep breath, inhale. Feel the vibration of the akara in the lower part of the body. Slowly bring your awareness to the abdominal region, your middle portion of the body. Observe your abdominal movement. Observe the back, the arms, shoulders, neck, chest. After observing the middle portion of the body, to relax the middle portion of the body, let's chant Ukara. Take a deep breath, inhale. Feel the vibrations of the Ukara, the middle portion of the body. Observe and bring your awareness to the upper part of the body. Neck region, facial muscles, forehead, skull, back of the head. To relax the upper part of the body, let's chant Makara. Take a deep breath, inhale. Feel the vibrations of the Makara in the upper part of the body. Once again, scan the whole body from the tip of the toe to the top of the head. And to relax the whole body, let's chant A-O-Ma. Take a deep breath, inhale. Feel the vibrations of the A-O-Ma chanting throughout the body. Relax. After relaxing the whole body, gently bring your legs together. Hands by the side of your body. Stretch your right hand above the head. On the floor, just stretch it on the floor above the head. Left hand on your abdomen. Bend your left leg at the knee. And turn towards your right side. With the support of both the palms, inhale and come to sitting posture. Sit with your head, neck and spine in a straight line. You can sit in any comfortable posture, either Sukhasana or Vajrasana or Padmasana, any comfortable posture, or Ardha Padmasana. You can sit in any comfortable posture. Eyes gently closed, both the palms resting on the thighs. Try to observe the changes in the whole body. Slowly attune yourself to the breathing. Observe your breathing. Slow inhalation and slow exhalation. Synchronize your breathing with the abdominal movement. Inhale, bulge your abdomen out, stomach out. Exhale, pull your stomach in. Breathe in, belly out. Breathe on, pull your stomach in. Inhale out. Exhale in. Try to synchronize your breathing with the abdominal movement for a while. Let's pray to Divine Almighty for healthy, happy, harmonious living of each and everybody here in the world. Let there be health, let there be well-being, let there be happiness, let there be peace. So let's pray for the universal well-being. Put your hands together in Namaskara Mudra. Just repeat after me. The first line, the second line onwards, you can all join together. It's a well-known mantra. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha. Repeat. All together. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Bring your hands down. Take your hands to the back of your body. Inhale, go back. Exhale, bring your forehead down on the ground. Touch your forehead with the ground. With a sense of surrender to the divine, to the Guru Parampara. Inhale, come up. Release your hands, rub your palms. Feel the warmness on your palms. Take your palms to your eyes. Feel the warmness around your eyes. Open your palms, open your eyes, and look into your palm. Prabhate Karadarshanam. Yes. Open your eyes with a smiling face. Very nice. So, today I was trying to be a bit slow to see because so many of you are like known to me. I have seen you practice, but there are a few new who have joined also. So to be on getting to accustomed to the flow, just I have been a little slow. Tomorrow we'll see, it'll take a little more practices. I think today I was 2 to 3 minutes delayed to start. So tomorrow I'll be on, I might see what is the time here in our Shala. It is still 5:35. The clock got stuck here. Looking into that, so I had been thinking, well, still we have some time to do. So I've been watching that and have been waiting. Yeah, so it got a little delayed. Then I realized by the time you were putting messages to know whether it has started or not. So then I got to know it's time. So then I started quickly. Anyhow, of course, I was ready already. Yeah. Quickly, I would like to know a few people I'm able to recognize. So there's Srinivasanji from Shobha Magnolia. Yeah, right. Very nice. Sandeep, yes, you are from Monthly or somewhere, no? So, Sandeep, you had spoken to me long back and you had.
Yes, yes.
Your friend, somebody, what is his name? Your friend, somebody was also supposed to join. Is he here? Huh?
Panduranga.
Okay. Is he here somewhere?
I'm not sure whether he's joining.
Okay. And what's your good name, sir? 4AA70. You're able to unmute yourself? Yeah. What's your...
Namaste Sububhaya, this is Janvi.
Yes. Wait a minute. Was that? Yeah. Where is this? I'll just keep you all unmuted. I think most of you can unmute. Four AA 7098F. What's your name, sir? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? Okay, I don't know, we'll see. I just wanted to know your name, 4AA7098F. You're not able to hear me? You're not able to hear me?
Yeah, this is Venkatesh Prasad.
Venkatesh Prasad, okay.
Yeah.
Where do you live, sir?
I live in Banashankari, Third State.
Okay, very
Near
nice.
Kamath Theatre. I spoke to you, no, on the day.
Yes, very nice. And yeah, Anil ji, Rajan, Nirmala, Deepi, Verdra, who else is new here? Anil ji, Gupta ji, pranam, namaskar. Who is this 8578? Oh, this is Jyoti. Everybody should keep your names. Otherwise, I like police station, I had to call you by numbers. Police station and jails, they call by numbers. So I had to call you by numbers then. I see some numbers there. Okay. Krishna is Krishnaveni from Chennai. Lokesh is our Lokesh from Srirampura. Dr. Rahul Hazarika. Can I have your darshan in case? I'd like to see your... Deepika, where are you from? Where do you stay? You're not able to unmute? You can unmute yourself. Try doing it. Try unmuting yourself. You can do it. Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
Okay, good. Namaste Sububhaya. I'm Deepika. I'm from Gublala.
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 Okay.
I have been doing little bit of yoga from 1 year, but I wanted to learn more, so I thought I'd take up this camp.
Very nice. Gublala, but are you staying in the Gokulam apartment? No.
No. Close to Gokulam. It's called Singapore Gardens.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice. And Rajan ji, KS Rajan.
Yeah, I'm Gokulam apartment.
Okay. Very nice. How many of you are from Gokulam? Rajan ji, Samita, Anil ji, Girish was there. Girish is here. Yes, Girish is there. Yeah. Very nice. So we can get in more of our old Gokulam people.
Yeah.
So it is becoming very essential in Gokulam now. I am hearing a lot of things. So everybody
Yes.
should be more healthy. So yoga is the only way. Very nice.
Yeah.
We have various other people. Our teacher Bhagya Bai from Nilamangala have joined us. Krishnaveni from Chennai. Yes. Jyoti from 9th block, Jayanagar. Sumitra Ma from Kumaraswamy. Very nice. Anil ji is here from Akshay Nagar. Now we are going to end this. Oh, very nice. I'm seeing with Ananya also. Ananya, where are you from? You're not able to. Ananya Shintayanto Ma. Yeah. You try to unmute yourself, please. You can do it.
Hello, good morning.
Yes.
Oh. Can you hear me?
Yes, Ananya.
I'm Sangeeta actually. Ananya is my daughter's name.
Okay. That's what I was wondering. Sangeeta, yes, okay.
I chat with you and I just registered
Yes,
because
yes.
my kids joined that online free camp. So
Yes.
I am in the group. So
Yes, I got to know. Sangeeta, I got to know. That's what I was wondering. Who is this Ananya? What's your name?
He is my son Aprameya. He was attending the camp.
Show your face, Aprameya. Yes, very good. Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Where is Ananya?
Ananya is sleeping.
Sleeping. Tomorrow you should get in Ananya also.
Yeah, sure, sir.
And we have here a wonderful kid, Varun Krishna is here. So he will chant a shloka. We'll conclude today's session with Varun Krishna's shloka, Narayaniyam or from Bhagavatam or whatever. Many of you must have seen Varun in the Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum series that we did. He's a student of Srimati Meena Vaikuntham and Vishaka Hariji, very popular Harikatha exponent, our Guru Srimati Vishaka Hari. So he is a disciple of Vishaka Hari, he is trained in Harikatha and in chanting Gita, Narayaniyam, Bhagavatam and all. So recently when we had the Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum on 31st of August evening, so I'll share you all the recording, you should hear the unassuming excellent chanting of Varun. Even now many are still remembering and they are telling us every day they're hearing. Yes, so where did Varun go? Wait a minute. I'm not seeing you at all. Hello, oh, it's here. Okay, I'm seeing Nirmalaji. Yes. Just one shloka we can just chant and conclude.
योगीन्द्राणां त्वदङ्गेष्वधिकसुमधुरं मुक्तिभाजां निवासो भक्तानां कामवर्षद्युतर्किसलयं नाथ ते पादमूलम् नित्यं चित्तस्थितं मे पवनपुरपते कृष्णा कारुण्य सिन्धो कृत्वा निःशेषतापान् दिशतु परमानन्द सन्दोहलक्ष्मी ज्ञात्वा ते महत्त्वं यदि अनिगदितं विश्वनाथ क्षमेता स्तोत्रं चैतत्सहस्रोत्तरमधिकतरं त्वत्प्रसादाय भूयात् द्वेधा नारायणीयं श्रुतिषु च जनुषा स्तुत्यना वर्णनेन स्फीतं लीलावतारैः कुरुताम् आयुरारोग्य सौख्यम् नाम संकीर्तनं गोविंद गोविंद श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्री हरये नमः श्री हरये नमः श्री हरये नमः सांद्रानंद
Guru. Very nice, great. Let's give a good clap to Varunji.
Very nice, very nice.
Sir, can I just tell a Krishna sloka?
Okay, yes. Aprameya.
अस्मिन् परात्मन् ननु पद्मकल्पे त्वमितमुदापित पद्मयोनिः अनन्तभूमा मम रोगराशिं निरुन्धि वाताल्य वास विष्णु.
Very good.
See what
Very
nice.
nice. Very nice. Lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, so we will all have Ayur Arogya Saukyam. We have begun our day with such wonderful chantings by such, two Krishnas, Varun Krishna and Aprameya Krishna.
Very
We
nice.
have Aprameya in, he's Aprameya, right? You said?
Aprameya.
In Malur, when you go towards Mysore, we have a place, Malur.
Yes, sir, I know.
That is where Purandaradasa sang the song, Jagadodharana. That's where it was composed, Aprameya Krishna. Ambekal Krishna is there. So he is representing that Krishna here. Very nice. Okay, see you all. I'm already, you must be ready. Now hurry to go and have your coffees, tiffins, everything. Yeah. So I'm also
Radhe
waiting
Krishna,
to
Subhuji.
Radhe Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
You all tomorrow. Yeah, one thing to say, just in case if you had any difficulty in doing anything, I'm sure most of you are already good practitioners, better than me. So there would not have been any difficulty. In case you wanted to share anything, so I'm available on my phone. I'm in the group also. So most of you are in the groups. I think almost all of you are in the group. You can take my number and either chat with me, or you can even call. If you want to talk specifically any health issue or anything that you want me to, because the next few days I'm going to be your teacher. And so if you have anything that you want to share about your health, you can share. And you can all join. Full family is welcome to join in the same thing. When you're practicing, try to wake up your husband, if not wife or children or your in-laws, whole family package.
Okay.
So you can all join together and practice. Yeah? Yes.
Yes.
Namaste. See you tomorrow.
Namaste.
Bye, Varun. Bye, Varun. Aprameya. Bye. Bye to all. Radhe Krishna.
Sububaya.
Yes, Janhavi ji.
Yeah.
Janhavi ji, pranam.
Yes.
Girish ji, Sumitrama, Bhagyama, Bhagyada Lakshmi. Stop recording. Where is it? Okay.